Ready? Putting on video. You take a walk around again? Huh? Which way you want to go? What do you want to see? I think this two is the best. Actually, I like that one. The one with the lake, the moon lake, and the thing. Look, that's the lake that you made. They're trying to do fast food. They should make the price a little cheaper, right? Why am I paying $10?
The rent must be high.
It is high.
Oh, okay, what's it like to
It
try?
is high. Look, it's real chicken. Here, come to cut your piece. Real chicken. Look at that hot things. Hello. This is a faux thing, isn't it?
What's that?
It's the faux. You tried it?
No, it's $6.25 per sandwich in Chinatown.
How much is it here?
$5.
It's nice to come here just
Good.
for...
They may not give you anything.
Good food.
Still making the same crap. Uncle Chow. It's Uncle. You remember Uncle?
Zao.
Yeah. Pig's blood. We ate here. Go by the pound. See it? $10 a pound. I could eat that. $10, right?
Yeah, that's more than a pound. Right?
Oh. Moo. Looks like same thing. This whole side's closed. Where's the bathroom? Okay, I'm gonna.